growing old is a very old habit with me. Everything is old, everything is habituated, everything is seen before, everything is tasted before, everything is done before. There is nothing that I have much left to do. But when I do a new thing, I realize suddenly that I have no criteria to judge this particular experience with all the precedent experience of my life before. At that particular moment of time, you cannot have any emotional memory about this. Then at such times you have to rummage around in your memory about, for example, I remember in Hartford, I was driving a U-Haul van, carrying the set of my play in US, and I suddenly saw an almost round rainbow. I had never seen such a rainbow before. It was amazing. And when I recall that, I realize that my speech starts getting broken up. I'm groping for words. My hand stops in midair. Because I don't have words to describe it. This is only the craft. Of course, I know what I'm talking about. But you have to remember the language of gestures, you have to remember the language of pauses, you have to remember all these languages. Then, the emotional memory part of it will probably, it will pale down in the entire proportion. Your imagination will take over and will help you, will guide you. But I think what you must understand is that when we are talking even about emotional memory, we are not talking about even now the emotion. Now we are talking about the memory of what your entire body language, all your tools of your craft were at that particular time of that moment of that feeling that emotion. What it was. So, sometimes, actors fall into this unfortunate habit of repeating they are very monotonous, एक हाथ ऐसे ही होगा. मेरे एक दोस्त थे, वो कुछ भी गहरी बात करनी है as a character, तो his hands would move like this. तो ये इतना ही उनका चलता था. तो मैंने उनको बोला एक बार कि आपके हाथ में अगर वो एक रस्सी दे दे तो मालूम है ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं. मैंने बोला एक रस्सी ले लीजिए आप, फिर देखें कि आप कौन सी गुत्थी बनाते हैं उसमें. तो फिर उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा, क्यों दर्शन, क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हो? मैंने बोला आपके हाथ है ना ऐसे ही होते हैं और कुछ होता ही नहीं है इसमें. मैंने बोला आपको किसी ने यहां से पकड़ कर रखा हो ना, ऐसा लगता है. आप फ्री हो जाइए यहां से. So then, of course, at that time, video cameras were not there. Otherwise, it's a great tool to check back. I mean, we were talking about video monitors, right? There is an entire generation of directors that have sprung up because of video monitor. They are not directors otherwise. If they can see the video monitor, then they will know that they are good directors. Otherwise, they will not know. But anyway, that's another thought. But इमोशनल मेमोरी के बारे में मैंने बहुत सोचा और मुझे ये यकीन हुआ है अब कि इमोशनल मेमोरी की जो लास्ट देन है आप सबको, द लास्ट गिफ्ट दैट इमोशनल मेमोरी कैन गिव यू इज द मेमोरी ऑफ हाउ योर आईज बिकम, हाउ योर वॉइस बिकम्स, हाउ योर जेस्चर्स गो, एंड दैट You know, my very good friend, and I mean, he's a brilliant actor, one of the best actors we have in this country. He told me about another brilliant actor. I am talking about Mr. Paresh Rawal. He talked to me about Sridevi ji. Paresh and I both are Gujaratis, we speak in Gujarati. So he told me, अरे सेट पर बैग लेने आवे छे यार, पूरी बैग लेकर आती है इमोशन की, खड़ाक। बोलो क्या चाहिए? श्रीदेवी जी जरा हंसने में क्या क्या है आपके पास, दिखाओ। हंसना नंबर 1, हंसना नंबर 2, हंसना नंबर 3, हंसना नंबर 4, हंसना नंबर 5, हंसना नंबर she is capable of laughing, showing happiness in 37 manners, and then when you say वो 18 नंबर वाला एक बार फिर से, ओके, she'll repeat it. वो अच्छा था, वो करिए, ओके. She is so trained. She has practiced her craft so much that her craft is now not seen. The first time that I had a very serious observation as an actor was when I observed her in a film called Mr. India. When she comes to know the real intent of this person and, you know, the orphanage that he is running, and she is struggling with tears and she is talking about celebrating a birthday of somebody. And she says, cake, samosa. She cries when she says samosa. And you should see her to believe this, man. The way she has done it is so real, and it is all practiced. I told you before, spontaneity is a very suspect word. It looks very glamorous, but don't fall for it as a part of your craft. Don't feel कि वो तो spontaneously वहाँ जो होगा वो मैं कर लूँगा. नहीं, that is bad acting. Don't be a bad actor. You can remain a non-actor and get wrongly considered a good actor, but don't become a bad actor. But when she does that, you see the point about craft, about gesture, about speech is also that finally it has all to go away. There's a lot of unlearning that you do while you learn. Finally, when you render the moment in front of the camera, it has to disappear. It has to look real. It is fake, but it has to look real. The chroma has to go. You know? And that is where you realize, I mean, that is where probably that height of, you know, good acting is something that you know you can touch probably and come back. You can never stay there. It's always, you can, you know, it's like a state of life.